5 more minutes. Just 5 more minutes, please.
Tom, wake up. It is already 7:45.
7:45. Oh no, we overslept again.
We need to get up right now. Everyone is late.
Okay. I am getting up.
Leo, sweetheart, it is time to wake up. 5 more minutes, Mom, please.
No more snooze, Leo. We overslept. Get up now.
We overslept? Oh no! What time is it? What time is it exactly? Am I going to miss the bus?
It is 7:45. You have to hurry up, Leo.
Lily, good morning. You need to wake up right now.
Dad, 5 more minutes. I am so tired today.
Lily, we all overslept. We are running late today.
We overslept?
Okay, I am getting up now.
I need to wake up properly, and I am still very sleepy.
I am so sleepy. I don't want to wake up yet, Dad.
I know, Leo, but we have to start our morning routine.
Dad, what does morning routine mean exactly?
Morning routine means everything you do each morning.
Okay, Leo goes first, and he is the fastest in the bathroom.
Mom, where did you put my toothbrush and toothpaste?
Your toothbrush and toothpaste are on the bathroom shelf, Leo.
I am putting toothpaste on my toothbrush right now, Mom. Leo!
That is too much toothpaste. Use a small amount.
Brush your teeth in small circles, like this, Leo.
Okay. Small circles. I can do that. Watch me, Mom. What do I do after I finish brushing my teeth, Mom?
After brushing, you rinse your mouth with clean water.
Done! Now I have to wash my face with water, right?
Yes. Wash your face and then dry it with the towel.
Finally. I need to wash my face and brush my teeth now.
I need the bathroom too, Lily. Please don't take long.
I always use my hairbrush to comb my hair every morning.
Do you use shampoo every morning when you shower, Lily?
All done. The bathroom is free for you now, Dad.
Thank you, Lily. I really need to wash my face now.
I always wash my face first thing in every morning.
Mom, I can't find my socks. They are both missing.
Your socks are in the top drawer of your bedroom, Leo.
I found my socks. Now I need to get dressed fast.
Good. Get dressed quickly and then come for breakfast.
Okay, everyone, come to the kitchen for breakfast now.
I am so hungry. What is for breakfast this morning?
We have toast, cereal, and orange juice for breakfast today.
I want cereal with milk, please. My favorite breakfast.
I am going to turn on the kettle and make some hot coffee.
Good idea. I would also like a cup of coffee, please.
I am going to make toast for myself and for Dad today.
Thank you, Lily. Put 2 slices in the toaster, please.
I can pour my own cereal. I am very good at this.
Leo, that is too much cereal in the bowl. Stop. Now pour the milk slowly. Not too much, just a little.
Okay. Pour the milk slowly like this. Is this right, Mom? The toast just popped up. It made me jump so much.
The toaster always surprises me in the morning, too.
I am going to set the table for everyone before we eat.
That is very helpful, Lily. Thank you so much today.
I am pouring everyone a glass of cold orange juice now.
I love orange juice. It is my favorite drink in the morning.
This looks great. Let's all sit down and eat breakfast together.
Yes, but we have to eat quickly because we are running late. I like to eat my cereal slowly so I taste every single bite.
Leo, we are running late. Please eat a little faster, please.
It is 8:15, and we really need to hurry up, everyone.
Okay, I am almost finished. Just 2 more bites of toast.
Mom, what time does my school bus come this morning?
Your school bus comes at 8:30, so hurry up, Leo.
I checked my schedule. My first class starts at 9 o'clock.
We should leave by 8:20 to arrive on time.
I finished all my cereal. Can I have a little more, please?
No more cereal, Leo. You need to grab your school bag.
Mom, I can't find my school bag. Where did I put it?
Your school bag is by the front door where you always leave it.
I found it. My school bag was at the front door, Mom.
I told you. Now check your lunchbox is inside your bag.
What is a lunchbox exactly? Is it like a small bag?
A lunchbox holds your food so you can eat at school, Leo.
Let me check my backpack, books, phone, keys, all packed.
Good thinking, Lily. It is important to check before you leave. Has anyone seen my keys? I cannot find them anywhere today.
Dad, your keys are on the kitchen counter next to your coffee mug.
My keys were on the counter and I always forget where I put them.
Every single morning, Tom. You need to remember next time.
Oh no! I knocked over my orange juice on the table.
It is okay, Leo. Grab the towel and wipe it up quickly.
Good teamwork, everyone. Let's clean up and go now.
Done. The kitchen looks great. Are we all ready to leave?
Okay, bags packed, keys found, breakfast done. Everyone ready?
Ready. I have my school bag and my lunchbox, Mom.
It is 8:22. We need to leave in 3 minutes.
We will make it on time if we leave right now, everyone.
But I love our family routine.
Me too. Now let's go. We are almost on time after all.